13th day on the road, nasa western part na tayo ng Pilipinas, nakapagsalita na tayo ng Tagalog, nakapagstorya na sa taog Binisaya, subong mag-Ilonggo naman ta.
Doon ka namin, tidang sa Sudan, ba? Ano na inyo kuya, adobo?
Welcome to our hometown, Negros, ang ika-39th province natin gamit ang ating Suzuki S-PRESSO.
Welcome to INAPOY!
Nasalayan na natin ang kagandahan ng Luzon na bigahani sa Eastern Visayas na mangha sa natural na yaman at higit sa lahat ang madamang unexpected kindness ng mga taga Mindanao. Ngayon, kami si Gypsy, ang aming munting Suzuki Espresso Camper. Samahan nyo kaming tuklasin ang tagong yaman ng western part ng Pilipinas.
Port of Dumaguete!
I'm here! Welcome to Dumaguete, my love! Past 4 a.m., maulan. After namin magpagas at quick courtesy visit sa provincial capital ng Negros Oriental, plano ay diretso ng Bacolod, Negros Occidental para doon na mag-start ng work from home si tatay. Tapos na ang mahabang leave pero may mga holidays pa naman in between, so pwede pa tayong mapag-side trip.
Bacolod, 4 hours na lang, 188 kilometers. May dadaanan tayong zigzag. Ito yun, na-uphill yan. Puntang Mabinay. 4:58, nandito na kami sa zigzag road sa Kabangkalan, Mabinay, Bais Road. So, walang ilaw, kami lang din sa daan.
Ang Negros Oriental ay parte ng Central Visayas, isang probinsya na puno ng natural resources, mapa-super spring, waterfalls, and marine sanctuary. Swim with the weekend sa Apo Island and dolphin watching na pinagmamalaki ng Bay City ay kabilang sa mga tourist attraction ng probinsya. At alam nyo ba na dito din ang gateway to Mindanao kung saan tayo galing? Sikihor na less than 2 hours ferry ride lang, and Cebu? From Cebulan Port to Liloan, Santander, 30 minutes pump boat ride lang yon. Sarap puntahan no, pero dahil mag-back to work na ang tatay at si Kala excited makita ang mga pinsan,
Yes, have a road trip!
na lang tayo papuntang Bacolod.
Wow, what a nice view. Ito yung kabundukan ng Negros Oriental. Since na ulan, sa foggy morning, and makikita mo yung sea of clouds. Kung pa lang kung makita yan, may sea of clouds. Kung dito sa side is kabundukan na, and sa left side is overlooking the Dumaguete. Finally, 5:48 para kaming mga 45 minutes na akyat dun sa zigzag road. Ito na yung madadaanan niya is street road going to Bacolod.
Kung ang Luzon ay may malawak na palayan, ang Eastern Visayas ay may niyog at kawayan, ang Mindanao ay mixture ng falcate trees, palay, mais at saging, ang Negros naman ay kilala sa may malawak na tubuhan or sugarcane plantation. Kaya ang sabi ng iba, sweet daw ang mga Ilongga.
Hey, welcome to the sugarcane capital of the Philippines.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, nothing can ruin my day. No matter what anyone does or say, I smile at fools. No, I don't care cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
Good morning! Going to Kuya Doy, ay going to Ate Smile na. Kilig na kilig! Yes, it's real na. It's real. Oh, you sleep lang ha? Ito yan, kilig na kilig ang bata.
Habang nasa biyahe, kausap ko naman ang auntie ko, nag-follow up na kung saan na kami. Then, eto, napansin ko na parang familiar ng pangalan ng mga bayan. Since maaga pa naman, kinausap ko na ang tatay kung pwede kami sumaglit sa bukid.
Kaya makaagi kaya makaagi kaya sa takat sa Inapoy? Maasubong? Okay. Sige.
Punta tayo sa aming farm. Shortcut to papuntang farm. Ang aming bukid ay literal na nasa boundary ng Negros Occidental at Negros Oriental, ang barangay Inapoy, bayan ng Kabangkalan.
I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah.
Dito sa shortcut papuntang bukid, may river crossing. Kakayanin kaya namin ang river crossing at off-roading?
Mabaka ako ha. Nandito na kami sa aming farm. Let's go. Wait lang ha. Kasi may river crossing tayo. Dadaanan. Yay! Very good. We survived river crossing. You know. Thank you.
Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the time when everything was easy to learn. Don't know when it started to get so serious, building up an illusion of a world full of trust, moving on when everything's gone.
Surprise visit lang to, pero kami pala ang na-surprise pagdating sa ilog. Parang kilala ko yung mga tao dun sa baba. Nung malapit na kami, ayun, kapatid ko pala at pinsan ko. Ay, nako, what a coincidence.
Sila yan, si Duyan. Kuya! Day! Doon sa may baba tayo dun. Dito lang, doon may dadaanan doon. Doon sa may diretso ka. Sa tono. Wala kami plano pero sunod lang kami di anay. Oo.
Hello, I'm your pillow.
Yay! Yung kapatid ko nandun. Naligo sila sa ilog.
And I'm your pillow.
So, 6:37, we are here. Sa ilog. Ano? Hindi na expected na dito ang kapatid ko sa ilog. Naglilinis sila sa sasakyan. What a coincidence.
You're crying like a baby.
No, I'm crying like a big man.
Pinigugurog yan ba lang kami ni Jesus na makatulong kami diri kay Ari kamo sa suba. Picnic sa ilog.
This is a good day.
Mukhang ka namin din sa sudan, ba? Ano na inyo kuya? Adobo? Adobo ka namit-namit gitna.
The roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far.
Today is a good day to live. Another proof that spontaneous road trips are the best. After ilang araw na pagtitipid at puyat, finally, we are home. Simple lang buhay namin dito sa bukid. Itong ilog ay nagsilbing liguan, labahan at car wash area ng community. Simple picnic with libreng fresh farm-to-table food. Simple yet happy life. After namin maligo, picnic at car wash kay Gypsy, bit-bit ang Globe at Home prepaid wifi, dito na din si tatay nag-work from home. So, next episode, let's discover more of Negros. One road trip, one campsite, one mountain hike, and one province at a time. Thank you for watching.
That's it. Yummy, unexpected to. Ang nakita ko lang ng kapatid ko at saka pinsan ko. Dito sa ilog. Okay, let's eat.